Phonics friends, and thank you for joining me today. Are you ready to learn a new sound? Let's get started. Today we're going to be learning the or sound. Now the or sound is a digraph or special friends because the letters A and W together make the or sound. Now you might be thinking, I've heard the or sound before, and that's because the letters A and U together make an or sound, and the letters O and R together make an or sound. Or. But today we're going to be focusing on this or sound. Now when I do this, it's my turn, and when I do this, I want to hear you joining in. Or. Excellent. Now it's time to have a little look in my magic box and see what we can find that uses the or sound. Oh, I found a paw print. Can you hear the or sound in paw? Paw. Paw. Excellent. Let's see what else we can find that uses the or sound. Oh, I found a straw. Can you hear the or sound at the end of straw? Straw. Straw. Excellent. Let's see what else we can find that uses the or sound. Oh, I found a saw. Can you hear the or sound at the end of saw? Saw. Saw. Excellent. So saw, straw and paw all use the or sound. Now we're going to have a little go at writing the or sound. To write our or sound, we need to write the letter A and the letter W. For our A, we start at the top, we go all the way round and down. And for our W, we start at the top, down, round, up, down, round, up. Now I want you joining in. So let's get ready. Give your shoulders a big roll. Give your hands and your arms a big stretch and tickle your fingers. Get your magic fingers ready. And off we go. Start at the top, all the way round and down. Start at the top, down, round, up, down, round, up. Excellent. Let's do it one more time. Magic fingers. Start at the top, all the way round and down. Start at the top, down, round, up, down, round, up. Excellent. Now we're going to have a go at reading some words that use the or sound. Our first word today is fawn. Now a fawn is a little baby deer. My turn first. Or fawn. Your turn. Fawn. My turn again. Or fawn. Your turn. Fawn. Excellent. And our next word is lawn. My turn first. Lawn. Your turn. Lawn. My turn again. Lawn. Your turn. Lawn. Excellent. And our last word for the day is yawn. My turn first. Yawn. Your turn. Yawn. My turn again. Yawn. Your turn. Yawn. Excellent. Excellent. Well done on working so hard today, and I can't wait to see you again soon. Bye!